I like trains.
This is NS21G with the Norfolk and Western Heritage Unit. This is the reason why I went out today to railfan. That was my 7th Heritage unit, and the 3rd one I have seen lead. So pretty cool. NS8103. It's actually one of my favorites, to be honest, and I'm very glad that I have now seen it, especially leading. So this is our last train of the day. We saw a lot more trains than we were expecting to, but hey, I'm not complaining about that at all. Yeah, every train we've seen today, except for Q215 light power, has been an intermodal. That's typical. Again, not complaining at all. But yeah, this is 21G, double stack intermodal. Pretty much all JB Hunts. 21J is probably not too far behind, but we're not going for that. We're not staying for that. Snowing as well. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. It's pretty cool. Now we got some foreign stacks here in the back. Yeah, these trains have been relatively long, so definitely will take that. These are foreign stacks, all of them. Definitely, this train's got to be going track speed as well. Ah, there's some panda bears on those. That's cute. Really cute. Oh, and there was a dolphin on that one. How about that? That made me smile. Costco shipping. There's the ad. NS21G with 8103 leading. Thank you guys for watching this video and all the others that I post. Stay tuned for future content as always. And here from Homestead, Pennsylvania at Amity Street, this is the Old Main Guy signing off. And all of you watching this video, have a great rest of your day.